In this video, you're going to learn the top 12 biggest problems that your organizations have with Salesforce Payments. My name is Stacy and I'm from Chargent. Problem number 1 is that Salesforce customers have a number of systems that just don't work together yet. Instead, they currently have siloed systems, like separate logins for payments, accounting, and inventory systems, though they wish they could have everything in Salesforce. Problem number 2 is that Salesforce customers need an efficient way to automatically collect subscription payments. If you have more than a few dozen customers who need to be billed monthly, doing it manually without a system is going to be tough. Problem number 3 is that Salesforce customers are looking for an online payment solution. More and more of your customers expect to be able to provide payment details online. They don't want to call. Do you want to learn even more about Salesforce and payments? If so, in addition to the 12 issues in this video, we have made a special downloadable checklist for you on 10 ways to make Salesforce payments safe, easy, and profitable. Get the link in the description below. Problem number 4 is that Salesforce customers are looking for contactless or in-person payment solutions. For those payments where people come to your location and need to swipe, insert, or tap a credit card or smartphone to make a payment, how do you connect the transaction back to their Salesforce record? Problem number 5 is that Salesforce customers want to take immediate phone payments. Not everyone wants to pay online. If a customer or donor calls you, do you have a secure way of taking a payment over the phone? Problem number 6 is that Salesforce customers need help decreasing PCI scope. PCI compliance involves a lot of rules about handling sensitive data, and having the right tools in place can reduce your compliance burden significantly. Problem number 7 is that Salesforce customers are sometimes walking credit cards upstairs to hand to the billing person to process. Then they have to walk back down the stairs to return the card to the client. Then they do it again if the card gets declined. Problem number 8 is that Salesforce customers are having to navigate away from the objects they work in to take a payment. There are often too many screens in Salesforce and too many clicks to get something done. Problem number 9 is that Salesforce customers need help reporting on payments. This is especially true when the payments are managed outside of Salesforce or in an app that isn't native. Reconciliation becomes a significant challenge, and you can't see what customers have paid in the same place as all of their other information. Problem number 10 is that Salesforce customers have trouble keeping track of their customers' recurring payment standing. Along the same lines, if you have a customer's contact information and products purchased in one place, but payment status and outstanding invoices in another, your whole team doesn't know who owes money and who is eligible to purchase more. Problem number 11 is that Salesforce customers need more security for their org and customers. Keeping data secure is more of a challenge these days than ever before, especially sensitive data like credit card numbers. Problem number 12 is that Salesforce customers are having to manually process a group of payments each month that could be automated as recurring payments via Chargent. If you don't have a system to manage recurring billing, how many monthly or quarterly payments are you missing out on? And how much time is your team spending manually running payments? And now, check out this next video. My name is Stacy, and at Chargent, we're dedicated to helping Salesforce customers like you keep your payments simple. Remember, at Chargent, we're always here to help.